Did you know all the hidden features are available in the developer options? Is developer options not showing up on your Motorola Moto G85 5G mobile? Don't worry, today in this video I will show you how to enable developer options to unlock all those hidden features on your Motorola Moto G85 5G mobile. So let's get started. First of all, open settings. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the settings menu. Then here you click on About Phone. After that, just scroll down. Then click on Device Identifiers option from here. Now, here you can see the build number option. Here, you just tap on it 7 times quickly. After that, here you draw your unlock pattern. Now you will see a message saying you are now a developer. This means your developer option is now enabled. Now if you want to access the developer options, then go back to the main settings menu. After that, here you click on System. Now you will see the developer options from here. Just click on it. Now you can explore and use all the hidden features available on your Motorola Moto G85 5G mobile. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, then please leave a like.